Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. So we're gonna give it a second try to this Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone that I purchased. The first video was a little bit of a fail, but I believe today's video should sound just fine. Fingers crossed. Now, today I have a sneaker unboxing for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy. If you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Do not forget we still have that sneaker giveaway, which the video is going to be somewhere on the corner for you guys to go ahead and check it out and enter. And lastly, if you're an OG to the channel, I just want to say thank you for tuning in once again. So today we have a pair of Nike Dunk Highs. These right here I believe are super versatile pair of sneakers for you to have in your collection, and it's a shoe that I've been wearing a lot. Like, I've worn this shoe more times than any other sneaker in this collection, and that says a lot. So yet again, another Nike. Sign me up, please. So the sneaker I want to show you is this pair of Nike Dunk Highs in this black and white color. Now, this isn't necessarily a Panda colorway because I believe it would have more white than black. But this here, let's just call it the reverse Panda Dunk, okay? Because that's not the name. But I'll just go ahead and show you the label because it is impossible for me to pronounce the name of this shoe. So you will see it right here. Now, I did purchase this shoe through Stockx. I placed a bid and ended up winning. So I ended up paying, which is insane, okay? I purchased the sneaker for $75. After processing and fees, I ended up paying $94.90. So I paid way under retail, and these were actually GS sizes, and that's a big plus because I actually fit a 6Y. 6 or 6.5Y, it still fits me just fine. So these right here, obviously they are the laces are undone because, like I said, I have worn them a bunch of times. They are clean because just recently I cleaned all the shoes for the week. So these right here were on my rotation. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that every single Sunday I clean my sneakers. And when I clean them, I not only clean the midsole and the top, but I also clean the bottom of every single shoe I wear because I don't want any germs on my shelves, nor germs here on my studio. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. So let me go ahead and give you some close-ups of the sneaker, and I'll also do some b-roll of the shoe just rotating on my lacy Zusen that I have right here. But I just wanted to quickly talk about the shoe. If you're looking for a sneaker to maybe go back to school or just like a daily beater, whatever it is that you need, I would honestly recommend this shoe right here for the simple fact that it is so easy to wear. Like I said, I've been wearing this shoe for about 3 weeks to almost a month non-stop. And I typically do not have any sneakers in my bedroom, but this shoe right here has been a pair that I have kept in my bedroom, which is a pair that I just grab and go in the event that I don't have time to put an outfit together. So if you're looking for a pair of shoes, I would honestly recommend these right here. Check the prices on Stockx on the Nike Dunk lows and highs section. I would honestly recommend it if you want to have a cool pair of sneakers at a good purchase price. You know, most of the times, depending on what size you are, you may end up paying under retail, just like I did on this occasion. Now, again, I would recommend for you guys to follow me on my Instagram because I believe Instagram saw this unboxing first. So by the time you guys see this video, the unboxing was posted through my Reels section. So don't miss out. I'm telling you, follow the Instagram. And if you guys have any other questions, make sure you leave a comment down below or just hit me on my DMs and I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. And with all of that said, I'm sorry, I know this was a short review, but I just wanted to show you guys what I've been picking up lately. Things that I haven't mentioned, that I haven't said a thing about. But I thought that it was worth having this one, you know, just here in my archive of unboxings. So I will cut it right here. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I appreciate it. Let me know how the quality was. I figured out how to record on 4K on my Sony cameras after almost a year of owning them. Yeah, I didn't know my Sony cameras could record in 4K. The only downside is that they do crop in, so it is a little bit too zoomed in for my liking, but it's totally fine. Just let me know if the quality and the audio is good. Hopefully it was. And I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.